Hi Manager, Mike here. A little video to try and explain the data import. The thing is that we have quite a few customers who import data, and we need to make it more simple than it is at the moment. And although the erroring and checking on this username is not going to be that great, we do have some other elements as we go further into the updates or import, sorry, that does require some error checking. So what I'm going to go through now is that if you select a site, the site pops up there as normal, but it also brings up an import button because we've selected the site, so anything that we import user wise is to that particular site. If we click import, the screen changes to this with a browse field, whether it's got a header and upload. Notice that the titles have gone black and purple, and here that's a required field and that's an optional field. If we click upload, there's two outcomes from an upload. A totally successful upload, which means that there's no queries. The number of lines the number of lines within the file is the number of lines that have been successfully imported. And if that's the case, it reverts back to the user list. Clearly we've uploaded the first name, surname. The ID will come from the database. The email and job description will be optional. The username is something we will insert by adding first name space surname into the username. So this is if we've had a totally successful upload of the user information. Alternatively, if we've got some errors, then this is the window that's presented. Clearly this colour is important to demonstrate that we're in an error situation. We've got upload, because we can rectify it and upload again from this window, or we can print the list because I may have to supply it to a users or place on file, or might just want to close at this stage. So X number of lines uploaded, and X number of lines queries. Now the queries are these, the uploaded are the ones that have successfully gone through. And what you have there is import, first screen, upload. If queries equals 0 or lines equals upload, we go to that window. If the queries are greater than 0, we go to this window. If we upload again, there's two potential outcomes. We either go back in this loop with a reduced number of names, or we actually go to this one, which is the fully uploaded elements. By all means, share with me any other ideas. I'm purely looking at this from a user's perspective of making uploads easier, because this is the area which is the most difficult for the users. Thanks a lot, Mike, signing off. Cheers.